all the candy disappears, I want to make sure that you are taking advantage of this holiday and making it a teachable money moment. And so you can do this easily every Halloween by simply imposing a candy tax. Yep, a candy tax. Now, this is a time where you want to bring up how you work hard and you bring home money, right? And so you can relate this to their trick or treating experience, how they worked hard, got all dressed up in their costumes, and went around and they were paid with candy. Is that you then want to share that in the real world, when you work for something, you have to give a portion to good old Uncle Sam. Yep. Be sure to explain what taxes in the real world are used for, right? And make it relatable to them. So whether it's maintaining their schools, if they go to a public school, or maintaining the streets that you drive or you walk on every day, or even paying the local firefighters. So you want to make sure you explain to them what the taxes are used for, but then the next step, this is where you're going to drop the bomb. And this is where you're going to say, it's time to pay your candy tax. Where you, the parent, you are Uncle Sam, you are the government. And it's time for them to cut a check to you. Now, be ready for the backlash because you may get some. Why do I have to pay you? Why do I have to pay you? Well, it's because you allowed them to go trick or treat, or you took them to a special event where it was safe for them to go around and collect their candy. And now it's time for them to pay their candy tax. Now, parents, don't go easy on them. Don't you pick a good piece of candy. I'm talking about the full-size Snickers. You leave that trash candy corn over to the side and pick a good piece of candy so that they can really feel the uncomfortableness of having to give up something that they thought was theirs, okay?